Hey everyone, Allison Berger here, and today I'm going to tell you about Peter Thomas Roth's Power Brightening Hydra-Gel Eye Patches. These are now available in My Macy's storefront, which you can find in the link below, and if you purchase it through My Macy's storefront, it helps support me and my channel and continue to make videos like this for you. So keep on watching. Peter Thomas Roth Power Brightening Hydra-Gel Eye Patches. It's a mouthful, but it's worth it. I leave mine in the refrigerator, so they're super cool and refreshing once they touch my eyes. These, because they're orange, are for potent C, so it's bringing a lot of vitamin C into your under eye to brighten them and keep them less puffy. So there's two different ways you can put them on, and I'm going to do it for you. They come in this lovely little jar like this. And when you have them, it comes with like a scooper to help you because they're so thin and really locked in tight. I want to use them to reduce puffiness and bring brightening. So on the back of the box, or even on the jar, it shows you which ways you want to put them to get the results you need. So I'm gonna have the bigger part of the patch under here, so it targets puffiness and wrinkles, and if I wanted to target more of my crow's feet, I would switch it. We take our little scooper, and we just wanna lift one up. Got one. Okay, and you can see, well, I can see how it's filled with the goodness. And we take it and just place it directly under my eye. And I just press it down. Don't want it to be like too close up to my eye, but just enough. And the fact about it coming out of the fridge, it is so cool on my face, which is super nice. Now we have to get the other side. And so what I love about these eye patches is that I will leave, oh, it feels so good. I will leave it on now as I continue to do my eye makeup so that any fall off that I may get from doing my eyeshadow, the eye patches will soak it up and absorb so that I don't have any have to worry about it getting into my foundation. So I love these, especially when I have something important going on, like a shoot where I want my eyes to be bright and not as puffy, and this seals the deal. So I'm gonna do my eye makeup for you and then come back and show you how good my under eyes look. So stay tuned. And we're back. So I've done my eye makeup, and if you look really closely, you can see how the like fall off has come kind of on my skin, but also on this, which just like helps alleviate more of a cleanup that I might have to do after doing my makeup. So these have been on for at least 30 minutes now. So we're gonna take them off one at a time. And then these just go in the trash. But you can see how they're just brighter, and you can, if there's more of the lotion, cream, or not, that's not a cream, the stuff that's on them, the serum, that's the right word. You can just like dab it into your skin with your ring finger to help get it into, but it really does brighten. I mean, you see, I have no other serums or moisturizers on my skin yet, and it really just helps brighten your under eyes. So I highly recommend these eye patches. They come in a bunch of different kinds depending on what you're looking to achieve with your under eye patches, but I highly recommend the Potency Hydra-Gel Eye Patch Power Brightening. Don't you see the power? And they're available now in My Macy's storefront. So thanks for watching. Let me know if you've tried out these eye patches and you like them as much as I do, or you tried one of Peter Thomas Roth's different ones and you like them better. I'd be interested to hear about it. So until next time, I'm Allison Berger, and don't forget, I'm fun sized.